Hi, and welcome to Thermodynamics 6. So what I'm going to do today is set you a question. So you're not going to learn anything new today, you're just going to have a question. And this is a question that's been around for a very long time, and is very interesting. And I wanted to take you through it really slowly so that you really understood the question, and then your homework's going to be to answer the question. So, this question is about this little cat here, who is called Maxwell's demon. And this is a thought experiment designed by the great physicist Maxwell. Maxwell imagined that you've got two boxes, and in each box you've got some gas. Now Maxwell already knew that gas would just be a mix of lots of different speeds of molecules on a normal distribution curve. So you'd have some slow molecules and some fast molecules. And it's all mixed up and there's nothing problematic here. However, in between the two boxes is a little door. And there is a demon sitting above the door. And whenever a cold molecule from this box is approaching the door, demon opens the box and the cold molecule passes through to the cold side, closes the door again. And whenever a hot molecule is coming through this way, opens the door and closes it. So that slowly all the cold molecules end up in this chamber, and all the hot molecules end up in this chamber. So the demon separates out the cold and the hot molecules. Now you can actually set it up such that the demon opening and closing the door is not increasing entropy. The reasons this are a little bit complicated, but basically you can set up this door so it's using so little energy opening and closing, or such that whenever it opens it provides its own energy to close, that it's a reversible process, and therefore overall is not increasing entropy in the world. So the demon's not adding entropy, and yet the entropy of this system is going down, because now instead of it being hot going to cold and cold going to hot, instead the molecules are now separating out. It's doing the thing we never see in real life. You're never sitting in a room and suddenly all the cold molecules go to one end and all the hot molecules go to the other. In fact, the opposite always happens. The cold and hot intermingle and you get something room temperature. But Maxwell's demon gets round that. It gets round that in a way that seems to break the fundamental rule that entropy always increases. Your homework is to tell me why Maxwell's demon can't exist. Good luck, I'll see you Monday.